Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to reach the service position of your wipers. To change them. That means the wiper change position. And your Audi A4 or S4 Avant car. There is a possibility that we can replace the wiper blades, of course. But to get there, we have to perform a little bit. We do not lift the wipers off the windscreen unless they are in the service position. Otherwise, the wiper motor or the paintwork on the bonnet may be damaged. Never move your vehicle or operate at the windscreen wiper lever while the wiper arms are off the glass in a raised position, for example. The wipers will otherwise automatically return to the park position and may damage the bonnet and windscreen. To move the windscreen wipers to the service position, we switch off the ignition and then we move the windscreen wiper lever briefly to the bottom position. That brings us there to this service area, as you can see. Easy peasy, huh? To move the windscreen wipers back to the original position, we're going to switch on the ignition, and then we can hold the windscreen wiper lever again in position, bottom position, and the position down, okay? Until the wipers have returned to the original position, or, of course, we are able to drive faster than 12 km/h. Then it will work there, okay? Push it down, the multifunction knob on the right side. Easy peasy, baby. We can also use the service position, for example, if we want to fix a cover over the windscreen in the winter to keep it clear of the ice. We cannot activate the service position when the bonnet is open. Take care of it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.